welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing as you guessed in the title, a 12-hour review slash first impression of the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. It says 36-hour full blast volume. We will not be testing it for 36 hours because I don't have that kind of time in my life. So without further ado, I'm going to zoom you right in to this face. Don't be alarmed. I'm going to get right up in your business. Curl these babies up. Zoom you right in. Further, further, further. There we go. This is what the packaging looks like. I really like it. It feels heavy duty. You throw it around. So all I have is a little bit of eyeliner on the top of my lid. So this is what the brush looks like. And here we go. Okay, so that is about 2 coats each on each side. One thing I did notice is that it doesn't give a whole lot of volume, but it gives a ton of length. That's the only thing that I wish it gave was more volume. It gives a lot of length where it's like spidery, but I might go in for another coat. Let's see what another coat does. Okay, so I went in for another coat. I feel like it just made it just a tiny bit more clumpy. It's not bad. I wish there was a little bit more volume. It was a little bit more thick up in my lashes. They're definitely very long. They're sky high right now. But let's zoom out. So it is 4:52 p.m. I work night shift, so I will be back around 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. Is it intense pitch black? Yes, it is. Is it smudge proof and flake free? I don't know, we shall see. 90% saw dramatic volume. I would say there's definitely volume, but there's not as much volume and thickness as I normally like. 94% said instantly lifted lashes. My eyelashes are definitely lifted. 92% said it lengthened lashes. Yeah, this is definitely lengthened. So I will definitely get back to you after 12-14 hours, so stay tuned. It's been approximately 15 and a half hours ish. It is 8:01 a.m. Sunday, March 4th. 15 and a half hours was grueling. As you can tell, my hair and makeup are on its last legs. Frizzy hair, my makeup is barely holding it together, but without further ado, let us zoom in alarmingly close to my face so you can see every little pore and making both you and I feel a little more uncomfortable in this video. But we're doing it to see the longevity of this Bad Gal Bang mascara. So I just want to caveat, I did not wipe any of the flakes, or I haven't actually checked in the mirror, honestly. I haven't wiped anything off my face. Only thing I have touched up on my makeup all night was my matte lipstick, and that is it. So let us zoom in. Do not mind the bloodshot eyes. I've been at work for a very long time, so I'm very tired. Okay, so Bad Gal Bang mascara promises to be intense pitch black, smudge proof, and flake free and water resistant. I have not tested it with water, but smudge proof, I would say you can see a little bit. Okay, here we go. You can see a little bit of, I don't know if you can see that, a little bit of smudginess on the top from because my lids are super close to my eyelashes. And then there's a little bit, smidgen, tiny bit. But again, my eyelashes have been on for 15 and a half hours. Flake free there is a minimal amount of flakage right here, if you can see that, and right here. But honestly, that is hardly anything compared to most mascaras. It is still, I would say it's still intense pitch black. It's still holding out its color. And it also says that it is instantly lifted lashes. My lashes are still up and lifted. I don't feel like they are falling at all. So I would say that overall, obviously from afar, my lashes look pretty decent. Let's zoom that back in. So obviously from afar, my lashes are actually pretty decent. When you zoom in, you can tell there's minimal amount of flaking and maybe a smidgen, just a smidgen, a bit of smearing on my lids. So I would say that for the most part that this is pretty truthful to what it claims. I would say it's like 95% flake free, 95% smudge proof. Because for holding up for 15.5 hours, I would say this is a pretty stellar mascara, but only thing that I would love is for it to have some more, like I've said like 15 times, I'm sure, some more thickness and volume in the lashes. So that concludes my review. We'll be doing more 12-hour reviews. Brie and I will probably be making this a segment that we do all the time. So if you guys have any suggestions for products that you want us to review for 12 hours, go ahead and comment that below and we will go ahead and get to that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.